so, we're going to go to the left once, to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Left once, then back to the right. You see all the lights down here are flashing. So now I'm going to turn the knob 2 times to the clockwise. 1, 2. See, spin is illuminated. Over here, number 2 is on. This is the higher end model. It actually has a numerical display here, so it's a little easier to find your test modes. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the start button. Locks the lid, and right now it's going to go through all the functions of the machine. Now we may not get a full spin out of it in here. It may just start to spin. So if we notice that maybe there's an issue with that, we'll have to go into maybe the manual test mode in order to make it spin for a longer period of time. Now, if you can't remember the code and how to get in there, on this particular machine, the paperwork is going to be located inside the front panel. In order to access this one, though, there are 3 screws that you have to take off the back of the control, right below the control panel, and then the whole top will slide forward and lift up, and then you can.
This is going to take a little bit of time, but the loud noise starts to happen in the wash cycle. Beware! And clicking noise in the rinse cycle.